Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, I said I get you guys this video. Thank you guys so much again for coming out and supporting the channel and hanging out with me and celebrating that we're having a baby. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the charts. Pretty wild. I couldn't get this one piece of hair. This one piece of hair wouldn't behave, so whatever. So what do we got on Bitcoin? We're looking for this breakout of this trend today. Let's zoom out here and let's go to the 5 hour. Let's take a look. We got this beautiful bull flag coming down here. We gave you these levels. These levels are still in the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, join us in the free Discord. Link is down below. So right now we're looking for this continuation back up to the top of this channel. Okay. Bitcoin remains to have this crossover into the red right now, but the posturing on the 4 or 5 hour is to the upside. So this could be bullish. We just want to be patient right now because we can see that we are getting these momentum waves to the downside, and there's a lot of indecision right now in the markets. Okay, so for me right now, I was looking for this little quick scalp here this morning, a little bit of a long. We're breaking out of this downtrend, pushing up right now. Currently, let's see what happens here. We could get a little bit of a retest back on the 15. We got to close outside of this downtrend on Bitcoin, came back, retested. We could be pushing up right now. But remember that Monday is the false move, okay? So we got to be prepared. We had a little bit of a bleed out overnight where we can look for a little bit of manipulation here where price, gets us all excited and then dumps on our ass. So we need to be very cautious here with what's coming up next with Bitcoin. We have our key levels that we are watching for sure. So let's zoom out onto the 1 hour and let's look here. So we want to see a swing failure pattern down within these levels around 50,000 down to about 49.5. Okay, that's going to be the area of interest down here. And then with this area up here, this is just a liquidity grab, a swing failure pattern. But if we do get a push out of this downwards channel, I will be looking for us to come up to around 53,700, and then we'll be looking for some sort of topping here on like a long-term time frame where price comes up and we get a rejection. So we're gonna have to be patient. I think that's the name of the game this week. I think Wednesday we have GDP coming out. We'll cover all these things later on in the evening show at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. But right now this looks like it wants to push up, come back to the top of the channel. We do have that point of control. Maybe we can extend this a little bit higher up to around 51,800 where we get this push out of this breakout this morning. So let's see if we get that continuation here. I did not share this because it was really early. I just came to the charts, identified this, and saw that we were breaking above the VWAP and jumped in. So guys, remember to always do your own research and make sure that you're preparing yourself. See, we pushed through the VWAP here, came back, retested. We could be pushing up here for a continuation. However, we do have resistance above us, and we have to be cautious because it is Monday, and we're looking for that false move. Volume is coming back into the market, pushing us back up. Okay, so we got this kind of double bottom, which is looking kind of juicy, pushing us up. So let's see if this can continue. Okay, let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum is the outlier right now. So we can see on the ETH BTC chart, if we zoom out here on, I think it's the daily. Let's go to the daily. Nope, let's go to the weekly. 5 day, whatever. Okay, so if we extend this up here and we extend this down here, we can see that we are getting a little bit of a breakout. Okay, so with the ETH is doing its thing, it's kind of breaking out here. So we could anticipate a retest here and then a breakout. However, we did kind of V-shaped recovery twice here, so it looks like it is trying to break out. This is going to be a key level of resistance here, so let's see if it can push past this, flip it to support, and continue its march upwards. So ETH remains to be extremely bullish. Our target is to the top here, all the way at this top here, which is right around 35,000 or 3,530, okay? 3,530, not 35,000. We'd all be rich, wouldn't we? So that's where our target is. Let's go into the 4 hour. We can see we have this beautiful uptrend that we're watching here. We have found support at this 3,050 level, okay? So that's very good to see. We flipped that to support. We continue to march on. We have some key levels in front of us. Money flow is very green, pushing us up to the upside. Okay, so with Ethereum, just be patient. We could be looking for a little bit of a retest and a continuation upwards. We really want to see these highs taken out and nice market structure making higher lows and higher highs on the way up here. Okay, so that's something we're watching here. But be careful because we've come and recovered about half of this downwards candle, and we could be looking for a little rejection here, which could present a good opportunity for a long. Okay, we're favoring the longs this morning just because Bitcoin seems to be breaking out. Now let's go over to Avalanche. Avalanche has been suppressed in my opinion, and we had our buy zone down here around 35.2. It has broken out of this downwards channel, come back, retest. It didn't come as low as I thought it would, so right now we're holding this 36.50 area, which is looking good, but it's very choppy right now, so there's no clear indication of which way we want to see Avalanche go. If we go into this 15, we can see that same channel that we have broken out of. If we draw that here, right? So that kind of channel broken out of. We could look for the retest and the continuation upwards, okay? Going over to Matic. Matic has been sporadic. It's been nice. It's been nice. So let's see. Matic's getting a nice push here. Continuation up. We had a little bit of a head and shoulders here, invalidated by this big wick, but looking to continue to push here. Market Cipher is suggesting a nice VWAP crossover. Money flow is still green, thick. Okay, we're getting this anchor. We got quite a lot of these continuations upwards here, so this is looking good for Matic. Let's see if it can continue to push. The key level is going to be this down trend line. Okay, this down trend line, it starts all the way back through the bear market to the previous highs and stuff like that. So want to see a break out of this, actually flip this to support. Obviously it's holding a key psychological level at $1. So getting out of this and continuing its march upward would be indicative of a bigger move. So we're just being patient here with Matic, but it's looking like it's ready to pop, man. So let's see if we do get that pop. Going over to Link, same thing, breaking out of this downtrend. Okay, popping up, holding this 1814 area, right? Looking to continue to march upwards. Okay, so let's see if it's actually been suppressed quite harder than others. So this Monday, let's see if we can get past this. It's more curvature here, so Link does trade a little bit different than other things. So let's see if we can get past this. We still got that double bottom here pushing past. Let's see if we can continue its march upwards. Bitcoin's still looking okay. Now Solana, you know the big narrative on Solana. So we were looking at this area as a buy level, the breakout of the downtrend. Same story here. Okay, momentum right now is looking like it wants to come up. However, we need to be patient with Solana. Solana has been very choppy as of late, so nothing to go home about. Looking over here on our heat map with volatility, we got Polygon moving quite a lot. Uniswap, Immutable X, near HBAR, Filecoin, Caspa, BitTensor. Okay, so keep your eyes on any of these. You could be looking for some moves on these. Let's go over to IMX quickly here for you guys, just so that we can find. Okay, so Caspa was on that list. Caspa got dumped a little bit. Okay, IMX got dumped as well. Look for a pushback, flip above this 3.2. Okay, we want to be tracking these downtrends and the breakouts. Okay, so you want to be tracking this downtrend, the retest. So you got the breakout, you want to see the retest, and then the continuation upwards. Okay, if you fail to continue, then you just look to chop sideways and then eventually lose your level. Okay, so very, very cautious here. IMX as well. Then we also had BitTensor, Filecoin, Cosmos. Okay, so just looking over here with a little quick scan, you can see Near is pushing. Okay, that's a good push. Nice breakout for Near. Continuation coming up to key resistance here around that psychological $4. Atom moving as well. Nice move here. Where are we at with Atom? Have we done some TA on this? Okay, yeah. So we're coming up to key resistance as well on Atom. Nice move here, trying to get above this high here. Your next level is around $11. So this is what I got for you guys this morning. Right now, we're looking for this Bitcoin long. Overall, we did the big TA yesterday on Bitcoin and where we think price may be going, and we can see that money is coming back into the market. VWAP was coming up to the zero line. It did get a little bit of a rejection. Okay, so that may change today if we do get a push back. The 12-hour as well has crossed the zero line into the red. You can see the money flow is coming out. So be very cautious here. 2-day, 3-day. Yeah, VWAP coming to the zero line, trying to curve back up. Okay, so that's the story here. And then we had the weekly candle close, which does suggest that, some indecision in the market. Okay, so hope this helps you guys. I'm trying to do these update videos in the morning, a lot more chill and just what I'm looking at. I like to come to the charts, be more chill, laid back. Say, hey, let's be patient. Let's set the trap today, and hopefully we can ride this out. So much love to you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys, Army Pipers, on tonight, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless. Peace out.